Want to enjoy gaming more purely, but the complicated moves just keep ruining your play? The fully customizable macro keys on the claw is the answer. You could record any moves and simply press once to launch it. Take the King of Fighters as an example. One of the killer moves in the game is down, left, left down, right, and X button. It's not only complicated to memorize, but you also risk incorrect inputs during an intense battle. But with the MSI exclusive macro keys, all the problems can be solved with simply a click. Before you start, remember to enter MSI Center M, select Control Mode, select Gamepad Mode on the left, and then enable macro keys in the Macro and Combinations keys. Now let's begin with the demonstration. By entering MSI Center M, select Control Mode, select Gamepad Mode, then select Macro. Click the Create on the bottom and start recording the moves you would like to launch. Here, let's use the same moves as an example. After finishing recording, you will notice that there are two parameters. The hold stands for how long the key is pressed, and the delay stands for the length of time between key presses. You could manually adjust the parameters to see what works best for different games. For hold, we suggest starting with 20 to 30 milliseconds, and for delay, we suggest starting with 5 to 10 milliseconds. Too short, it may not register. Too long, it may affect the next action. Do know that optimal settings also vary by game and require some trial and error. You can also click the delete on the right to remove certain moves that you don't want. Or click Clear to remove all the recorded moves if you're not satisfied with your current one. After adjusting the settings, remember to click Save to preserve the recording. Now comes the final step. Click the settings on the left of each recording to assign it to the M1 or M2 macro keys. And now we're all set. Let's head back to the game and enjoy the mighty power of macro keys. Disclaimer. After showing such an amazing feature, we would still like to mention that it's not encouraged to use macros for competitions or tournaments, regardless of whether they can be detected. Have fun, but do also follow the rules if required. That's a wrap for today. We'll see you in our next tutorial video.